Hey everyone, this is Tangerine in the kitchen. Mapo Tofu is one of the most famous Chinese cuisines. You might have made it at home, but it just doesn't taste as numbing and flavorful as you want. Here are some must-learn Sichuan cuisine hacks that will ensure your homemade Mapo Tofu is as good as your favorite Chinese restaurant. In order to make this delicious dish, two main ingredients are tofu, either suki or firm, depending on your preference, and whole Sichuan peppercorns. Take a screenshot of the end of the video for a full ingredient list. First, we're gonna prepare the ingredients. Cut 500-gram tofu into 1.5 inches cubes. Dice 1 green onion. We're gonna use it for garnishing. Mince 5 cloves of garlic, 8 grams of ginger, and 3 pickled red chilies. Here comes the first hack. Before grind up the Sichuan peppercorn, you have to roast it until the aroma comes out. Otherwise, you won't get the beautiful aroma and intense numbing flavor in the dish. The second hack is that you first stir-fry these 3 ingredients until the oil turns red. In this way, the flavor and color of the bean paste can be fully extracted by the peanut oil. Then add minced garlic and ginger, and minced pork or beef. Now turn to high heat. Stir-fry until it's fully cooked. Add half of the homemade ground Sichuan peppercorn and ground chili. Stir-fry another 2 minutes and add 3 cups of water in order to enhance the flavor and the color. We add sugar and dark soy sauce. Now we add tofu. High heat, cook for about 10 minutes. While cooking, let's taste the sauce. The flavor is perfect. When most of the broth evaporates, let's use cornstarch water to thicken the sauce. Traditionally, you thicken it 3 times, but practically once is enough. Cook for another few minutes until the sauce wraps around the tofu. Finally, we garnish it with the other half of ground Sichuan peppercorns, ground chili, and green onion. Pour some sizzling hot oil on top to bring out the flavor. Now, let's enjoy! I finished 2 bowls of steamed rice with the sauce of the Mapo Tofu. Ancient time China, there was a lady called Mapo, which means freckled lady. She invented this delicious dish. Here's the ingredient list with detailed portion and ratio. See you next meal!